Okay, listen up, gang. There is an imposter among us, and we have to try and defeat them.
Why are we here?
Yeah. Oh, you guys just got invited.
Oh.
Yeah, so what do we do? You guys just have to do some tasks and stuff.
That's it?
And you have to figure out who the imposter is, and you vote people out, and blah 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 blah. And also, you vote people out who you think is the imposter, and if other people think they're the imposter too, they get voted out, and they go to space, which is out there.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just start doing our tasks. And there's two imposters, so yeah. I don't know. I don't really know what else to say. Well, I did get a different voice, so doesn't matter. I have to take out, no. Oh wait, I just forgot one character. Just one little character. Okay, there we go. Let's see, what task is this? I have to do this. I'm also gonna keep an eye on that vent, because, you know, anything can come out, so. They're done. Are you guys gonna do your tasks? Yeah, of course. I have a task in here. Let me just sit down. Actually, no. I actually have a task right here. And I got a task where Foxy is. Let me just sit here. Oh, hi, Bonnie. Hi, Foxy. Okay, all done. Hang on. Let me make sure nobody's looking. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, Foxy, you startled me. Sorry, Freddy. I'm just going to do my task over here. Okay. Oh my gosh, an emergency meeting. I gotta get over there. I gotta throw the spot. Okay. Sorry. But my editing is not great, so I had to bring all the ragged dolls here, so shh, don't tell anybody. Okay. Yeah, so I found a dead body in Captain's area. I forget what's that. Can't talk. Anyways, yeah, I forget what room that was in, but Pretty sure that's where the captain sits. And Foxy, where were you? Because you were coming from that way. I was in that chair over there. I had a task there. Oh, really? Because I didn't see you there. And you also hate Bonnie. Freddy, just because I hate someone doesn't mean I'm going to kill someone. Also, another thing, why weren't any of you guys doing your tasks at all, except for Bonnie and Foxy and me?
I don't know. We were just waiting for an emergency meeting.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Listen, guys, you have to do your task. Or tasks. I can't. I don't know why, but I can't talk right now. But, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this vote because I don't know who, and I don't even know what I'm saying right now. So I skip. All of us do. Okay, I got a task over here. I actually have to take out the trash. Actually, Cupcake, do you want to? Yeah, sure. I love taking out the trash. Okay, I have a task over here. So, just be careful, Cupcake. Okay. Oh, I got a task over here. Oh, I gotta do my scan. Hey, does somebody want to come here and watch me scan?
I will.
Okay, I'll just sit on this bed and watch you. Okay. Not an imposter. See?
Oh yeah. That sound was cool though.
Yeah, it's bright in this room and it hurts my eyes, so come on.
Yeah. Hey, do you actually want to work together?
Sure. Come on, help me.
Okay. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I'll just... This is my task.
Hey, Edna, you wanna come over with me? Sure. What task are you gonna do?
I have a task at the captain's. Actually, no. I have a task right here. And it is growing plants. Oh, plants are nice. I'll watch you, okay? Okay. Something not loud. What are you saying? You'll find out. Wait, aren't you supposed to be with JJ? Oh, she wanted me to leave her. I don't know why. Uh-oh. That sounds a bit sus, but anyways, doesn't matter. I hate this task. This task makes me want to die. This card scan. Because it says, not too slow, too fast, perfect. But it takes so long to get perfect. Too fast, too slow. Perfect. Finally. I got it. Chica's right there. Hey, Cupcake, what you doing? You scared me. I'm just taking out the trash. Oh, really? Can I help? Sure. happened here? I don't know. Oh, hey, I'm on TV. Yar, what's up? You captains. I like to sail the 7 seas. I got more killing to do. Oh, nice one, Endo. Nice one. Oh, A-Bon. A-Bon. Hi. I can't believe Bonnie died, though. Yeah. This room always scares me. Anyways, I'm gonna check the cameras. Hey, it's Freddy. Help me. JJ's dead body that I caused. JJ's dead body that I caused. JJ's dead body that I caused. That was Endo's voice. Gotta go. Yo, what happened? Yeah, what happened?
Oh, what now?
Yeah, can't you see we were going to our tasks?
Emergency meeting.
Okay, listen up, everybody. I started this meeting because I heard Endo say, that's JJ's dead body that I caused. And it was echoey because this is a big place. And he's stupid for saying that. What? I didn't say anything. I did not say anything. Huh? Yeah, right. Prove it. How? Ugh.
Yeah, he sounds sus.
What? How?
'Cause, where is JJ? She's not even here.
Yeah, that dude. Hey, no. Freddy, I'm voting you.
Why?
'Cause I just want to. Well, don't worry, because Freddy ain't getting voted out in no time. It's Endo. I don't know who to vote. Ow, what? I'm skipping.
Endo was voted as.
Oh.
Endo was an imposter. Oh, wow, Endo was an imposter.
Yeah, feel bad for him.
Why? He was an imposter.
What? Why am I saying that? My brain must be playing tricks on me. Anyways, it's lunchtime. Let me have some tea. Oh, crap. No, I want to break it.